Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at 3 easy ways to get free credits on Base44 because apparently, paying for things is just too mainstream. First up is the referral program. All you have to do is click that little gift icon in the top right and share your link with your friends. They get credits for signing up, and you get credits once they actually publish a site, assuming your friends are actually productive for once. You can do this up to 5 times, which is a great limit for those of us who only have 5 friends anyway. Next, we have the Win Free Credits feature. Base44 occasionally offers gamified challenges or spins where you can win extra rewards. It's perfect for beginners who want a quick boost without upgrading their plan. Because nothing says professional workflow quite like a digital slot machine, right? It's a nice little occasional bonus for those who like to live life on the edge. Finally, for the overachievers in the room, there's publishing integrations. If you build and share integrations, you unlock bonus credits for each one you contribute to the ecosystem. This is definitely for the advanced users who actually know what they're doing and want to help out. And that's it. 3 ways to stack credits on Base44 without spending a single cent. Happy hunting.